Have you ever wondered how people find some of the most hottest, most profitable tokens or cryptocurrencies out in the market? Today I'm going to walk you through CoinGecko. CoinGecko is a one-stop shop for education and information within the cryptocurrency space. Today I'm going to walk you through what CoinGecko is, how to navigate through it, and obviously how to find some of these coins, where to find them or where to purchase them within all these exchanges, right here on this video. Welcome back. If you haven't done so, make sure that you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and make sure you hit that notification so that way every single time that we upload videos, you'll be able to actually get all the most current videos out there so that you can actually be empowered to grow your cryptocurrency portfolio. Today, we're going to walk you through CoinGecko. I've been using this for a long time. I love it. I go through to find different cryptocurrencies out in the market, and I get a chance to kind of do like a overview, like a bird's eye view of what the market looks like. So here we are. This is the actual website, coingecko.com. And I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough. Okay, so right here, you can actually see the top cryptocurrencies that are out in the market. This is actually standard to show you on the highest in terms of market cap. Okay, so in terms of total of what people are investing in, you can actually see here Bitcoin is obviously #1 brand in terms of the cryptocurrencies out there. And then there's Ethereum. You can see it right here. This is 1 trillion. Ethereum is about 500 billion. I think that's it, right? So that's like 100,000 million billion. Yep. Nearly $500 billion has been invested into the Ethereum project. And then there's Binance Coin, actually at #3. XRP right here at 60 billion. Then Dogecoin is at 57 million. Still can't believe that Doge is actually #5. But again, this is cryptocurrency, right? It's whatever the community wants, and it's kind of I look at this like they're like voting, right? This means the community believes in this coin, so that's awesome. So here you are. You can see here this goes all the way down. You'll see the top 100 in the first page. And then you can actually click on these to see past 100, going 101 to 200, all the way down to like 5,000, I believe, right? So this kind of gives you a quick idea of the list in terms of, again, it's standard to show you the top 100 in the beginning, basically position at market cap. And then what you want to do is you can actually click on each coin. For example, let's say you want to look at, let me pick a coin here. Let's say you wanted to actually look into Oneinch token. So you're going to click on that. When you click on that, it's going to actually pop up and show you more specific detail information on that specific token or cryptocurrency. So in this case, since I clicked on Oneinch, you're going to be able to see some of the details on here. So you can see here market cap, it's currently ranked at number 111. And then the website, you can learn more details about Oneinch right here, oneinch.io, app.oneinch.io, or blog. And then you can actually see here that you can look it up through the Etherscan. This is the chain. So Oneinch is actually ran through the Binance Smart Chain as well as the Ethereum chain. And for those of you, this is very, very important. Okay, some of you are looking at certain specific tokens or cryptocurrencies that you want to invest or purchase in, and you have a hard time finding it. What you want to do is you want to be able to take the contract, because each cryptocurrency actually has a contract. So you want to copy that, and then you can scroll down and you can actually find it within these exchanges here. So in this case, if you wanted to actually find this Oneinch token and you want to purchase it, you can actually purchase them in one of these exchanges here: Oneinch, Binance, Gate.io, VCC Exchange, Coinbase Pro, and so on and so forth. So you can actually take that contract that I just copied earlier, and you can paste it within the search when you're actually looking for different tokens within that exchange. And in this case, Oneinch will actually pop up for you to actually make a limit order or purchase. And let's just keep going here real quick. And this kind of gives you a snapshot of the market cap right here, 24 low, 24 high. So the lowest within a 24-hour window is $5.75. The highest is it's reached its all-time high is $7.17. And the circulation supply, this is important, so you can see what's currently out in the market right now. And the max supply, 1,500,000,000 tokens are actually available in terms of max supply out there. But currently right now there's only 162 million out in the market. And in a 24-hour window trading, there's 329 million that's currently within the trading volume every 24 hours. So kind of gives you a quick idea. Then right here you can actually look at what the price changes is within the time frame. So within a 1 hour, it's actually minus 3.6%. 24 hour, there's minus 11.7%. 7 days, 14 days, 30, and then 1 year. You can also adjust it if you want to look at the chart. You can click on 7 days, you can click on 14 days, and you can adjust it. Okay. You can also add Bitcoin in here as well to show you the comparison, because it's also very interesting when you look at the Bitcoin chart compared to it. You can actually kind of get a pattern out of it, as well as Ethereum. So this is great. You can actually adjust the date, and again you can see kind of price and market stats right here, which I do look from time to time if I'm looking at different tokens or cryptocurrency that I want to put money towards. And right here you can actually look at developer widgets, guides, analysis. But you scroll down, it gives you a quick idea. What is Oneinch Exchange? Oneinch Exchange is a decentralized exchange, a DEX aggregated to help users discover the best trade prices for tokens. Instead of swapping tokens from a single liquidity pool of a DEX, Oneinch will aggregate across different pools and suggest the most efficient way to trade tokens. So it kind of gives you a quick idea why, what, who's behind it. So again, you can do this with each and every individual coin or token that's actually out there, so that you can get a quick idea. So that kind of gives you a snapshot. You can create an account in here, and you can actually get price alerts. So you can actually allow them to give you a notification when a specific coin or cryptocurrency actually hits a certain number, and it'll notify you. I actually tend to go to DeFi a lot, so I'm a huge DeFi advocate, because DeFi is probably one of the best ways to generate passive income. When you click on DeFi, it'll give you all of the top DeFi projects that are out there. Currently, Chainlink is number 1, Uniswap is number 2, Terra. I absolutely love and absolutely support PancakeSwap. So these are all the different types of projects that is within the decentralized finance. And if you're into NFTs, you can click on this. So a lot of different things that you can do. But the number one thing that I believe that most people will do on CoinGecko is what I shared with you earlier, is most people want to look at different projects out there. And so from here, you can adjust different things, such as switching the prices from the lowest to highest. Like for example, I just clicked on the 1 hour change. You can click on 24-hour change like this. When you click on it, it'll adjust from like the most positive or most profitable or gains, and then the most losses, right? So I just clicked on it again. It's going to show you the most losses. Right now, Dogecoin is actually at the lowest in terms of within a 24-hour window. So this could mean possibly that this is a great time to purchase Dogecoin. I'm not telling you that this is the best time, but this will give you a quick idea. Within a 24-hour window, nearly 20% drop within Dogecoin. So you can possibly have an opportunity to buy within the dip. And then from there, if you do want to buy, you don't know where to buy it. Again, you just have to go here, and then you scroll down. when you scroll down, it'll give you the available exchanges that Dogecoin is available. And then all you have to do is go in there, make sure you transfer funds to one of these exchanges, and then basically make your purchase. So hopefully this helps. Again, this is available as an app as well. So you can actually go on your phone and you can download CoinGecko app and actually navigate everything within your fingertips. Thank you so much, guys, and hopefully this helped you, and see you guys on the next video.